Tewani, me shakwa kumenu TV. Na kwa kumenu ya spell no ROCB TV. Aggressive.
I'm for way I'm son for Medin Eddie Kwaku man bit my friend Bob Siga 111666. I love you, I'm a kiss you. We imitate where your most calls cantan and gragaga aggressive interview. Everywhere you are was can come aggressive interview. No cause I'm thank you for your sitting. I'm going to thank you for your watching. I'm thank you for your like your cell, your obre. Are you get my point? I'm bless you, papa. We a aggressive interview. Na panyi am na bedi nkomo no kwasem. Almost started acting near na TV na chi. Na ye hwetoa. Na ye ni TV inside yo na ye wa chide. Ana animu na na ye hwe. But omo de no mo inside. Ti no kwasem se wonya painful be say na omo pass it through to your platform say aggressive wa. Na say a blessing to me for my platform we. Kwakuma no TV subscribe ya me patch subscribe. Na 2020 wo say yare ni owo bebre esiside ba me say catch or say this year empagya year se nyame bon ho ban ma wotimi twa year we trust me empagya ni nhira wo bebre but ade bia no pemfo say gold kura ni timi be fagye man se na be gold ade bia na sebi eye ni munyam hye empagya no wo bre wo ho ansa aso wotima survival te awade no momo ame ne wo ene yen a ye hwe yen se awade ma wo yen twa afasu we die awade ma yen timi nkroso na empagya wo mesoso onfa nche yen kone ne opinion nkodi nkomo Papa, yes. Boko de.
Boko.
Menim se nyame adom ho ye pa.
Yo ye pa.
No kwasem obi ehwe osisi o se papa we. Ene kwakuma no okofa ne de na bai.
Kweku.
Because nkofo hwe wo no mo ye nkoda.
Bebre.
Bia benyini awale. Awo.
That's right.
Odi pa de say.
Me de pa ni Saka Brown.
Ni Saka Brown. And no no the what industry no.
Industry na industry me ni Saka Brown. Eleta na unse me movie ma Dafobi.
Okay.
Ojam na ojam no be hiti enti.
Ojam. Nice one. But papa ye ka oma brewe industry nim aye adwuma. E wo sini adwuma mu a. Tabi oni yeti Kumasi.
Yeah.
Before that krane ye wo Boase.
Okay.
Asene chi ye ba Kumasi. Ye mu bi de ye hwe mu. Ye be wura industry mu kra still na ye da so hwe mu. Oma na me ka wo mu wo eye Accra anom ye twi moving. Woman ba ko ne bra amani amasoso sa
Irene Opare any Nina William Opare.
Yes. Me refi kura me ka sa faces no mo ye local no.
Okay.
Ana ma me ba ko isi akwada wa ya bro akra na ni so hye pa ni dina me kai
Auntie Grace
Naughty. Yeah, Naughty.
Yes.
And ye won painful bo ma omo face die besi na me no ka sei. So mo twesi ni o eda so e wo mani so.
Okay.
Yes. Na papa yenya wo na die say na wo si be starting life. Okay. Abrabon say na wo si be starting.
From what age? And from
day one.
Okay.
Say na wo si be so far say na fie tie say na abrabon tie school kodu say.
Okay. Fie the nam nyame na fie ye I would say average Ghanaian family.
Okay.
I grew up in a home na eti fie.
Okay.
You understand? Those they say pipe of fear is a luxury.
Yeah.
Say I'm from a bush so if na eti fie pipe or
Toby.
That be Saturday in so.
Oh, okay.
I remember said the only thing you have to do is now wa lucky.
Okay.
So mo say wa bia and you know Mr. Brown ba ya bia pipe because ya koda na best say no ti best say so ti uma me kwad mo na mo lucky. Mo ba na ma bia so ko say Mr. Brown ba ya wa bia pipe. People come and fetch water free.
Okay.
Until now you turn so.
Nice one.
So that is the home I grew up in, yes. And but before that, you know, na me papa ejuma wo ministries. So na abrabono ye a little more de me kai pass na me ni bachi ko echini. Satan na rollers tabi abubu mokola.
Okay.
So me mami di ejuma na be fi. Inti oba ye pon school ba na ye ko Saito.
Okay.
Me ko Roman boy. Aban school. College.
To share teeny pan on be. Yellow and brown.
David na e no ye. Who said before that time na school be a one uniform.
Okay.
I think say during the time of Miss Joyce Ayi, na ye ma school be the same uniform.
Okay.
By that time and we say we uniform we say we are school.
Okay.
Hinti ye minimi Roman school. Hinti ye de no khaki ni white shirt.
Okay.
And a man no social raw white. Any yellow belt.
Okay.
Mikael pass AME Zion mo de blue any white.
Okay.
Hinti ye de no nye mo de no.
That be ye ne tam na benya teeny pan.
Okay. One. So along the line me papa nya adwuma with United Nations UNDP nti abrabo no be sesa kakra. Ti Mikael say na my sisters almost no omo mechi. Omo ko government school ba eyi omo ko preparatory. But na me dem adu bibia me Saito no form 4. And so that is how life started in the average home. Me nyenu peku. Na mo baby sometimes me catch am for mo feel say me boa. Na me we can paste. The only paste na no a friend signal. Bi papa nyama nyane fi amono ni na ye yusu say be yusu any beverage I Hollis any we're cooking with King's vegetable oil na satana e shedade gallon.
Okay.
So life was okay. Me we elementary school then 1983 and I started secondary school.
Okay.
Me papa say me call technical and taught me call MH Electronic Institute. Electronics number. I mean, I don't have the technical mind. I don't need a book.
Sometimes so papa phone choose ma.
Yes.
The person who koyi we mama.
So papa de me call MH. One year na me can test school me pe o onye. He no de me call Accra Technical Training Center ATTC.
Okay.
So me call man field mechanic. It's papa de me call ATTC. Me field me free.
Wow.
You know, so later on I me be acting. So secondary school time no. Na me ko sorry we college no free gospel.
Okay.
And I am a drama group. Me Jojo Robertson. Who can Jojo Robertson? No, your boy, Obra. Obey a fear. I can't know also for a fear.
Oh, Jojo, so US. And the man who can betray
me, Jojo, any a real party. And I start a group no colleague. Satana na king. You know, or trust stories. In the way he first saw a sorry dear, no, and I say, I'm good. Hinty out of the lot, you know. Satana Jojo or brother, you know, Bekaya, winty out of the lot, and only me call Asenta. Could you do Asenta? No, or see, group with a friend of talents. We do call Unyaro.
Wow,
Unyaro. See me do call a theater mirrors.
Joe.
Nanakin.
Nanakin, they don't call.
Okay. Me call Asenta 1987 thereabouts. Into the other talents. Nipe go.
Wow.
David Donto, Grace Notte,
wow.
Hedina Matachi, all the stars who nimo.
So how do you roll?
Oh, see, no, they be called Theater Mirrors.
Wow.
Theater Mirrors because she are Imanama.
Oh, Crana,
was here all the women. Because she are Imanama, Nadbanini, Kasum Sinari, and some of the people, but almost I film into me bomb didn't cry into enemy called joint terminals. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Quick, men at TF Coligono. Wow, center. Wow, your point.
And I sat now, Papa Sicasana.
There be so to be saying at you.
Okay.
And on my own.
Okay.
And I love the acting.
Okay.
Hinty, not Makoba, sa. And I only say, you call us center. So, we know seniority.
Yes.
Yeah, that's another discipline. There's a lot of discipline. Me sako me say 10. Plastic chest na me now. We ba na ma yi ba kwa man because homo ba na oti obe sorry.
Yes, we gina ho preko. Obi atena se ya asa na wo so atena.
Dem atras. Na a leader ye captain in Krabi father.
Okay.
Ku for time kana o ye minister. Yes, ono ochocho stories man.
Wow.
Inti near theater mirrors kakran mbenya first say koye New Year school and omutia me say be and 30 pesos.
Wow.
My first pay me due at night 3 CDs. Many
because why you do man into our kada
be
the first pay no I dey ask me first pay am again ka kronfo wi am say more down me first pay mo baby say me kura me bottle
it is yakaka theater mirrors you know more and I'm second coming out at more 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
And then 1 CD.
Wow.
Many madam for be that require a documentary World Bank mama is at 10,000 cedis.
Wow.
And then 1 CD. I'm telling you. And I hear rubber so can zoom. I got to be.
Come we be
and I keep up. And then 1 CD. He who be some because na me papa sika na Debbie. He one day e ko the life story of Dr. Ephraim. And the whole script, you know, time my graduation, me na uncertainty cameras no. In actually na channel
you
see.
I will bet to no be.
They are no bet to
the omo wine no.
And now the pencil I draw with you because omo printer oni nya be white. Na ya school betu sa we no.
Na meto.
Na omo do on triche ntoma bi mo.
Ma meto.
On betu ye.
Wow. Wanyi. Because only ni say we were industry mo na ache.
Yes, in 1987 there about because I said 1990 na here first Panafest.
Okay.
And Satana me what audience awareness. And I me what 2 groups.
Wow.
But me need the acting.
What need you?
Hiti me command day na ma ko theater audience Tuesday, Thursday na me na mo. Hiti me ko Panafest twice.
Wow. Hiti no na wo ma o kase woni je ho na o fa fom no. Na wo fo no enim say side man o do ho akoshim.
Hiti until the time me bring me papa invitation card. Say ya me here drama. Hiti here play bi wa center. The life issue of Dr. Ephraim. We na show me so rest in peace. Efo Kodoma Ugbe.
Okay.
Hono trust our story no.
Okay.
Hiti me count bi. Na me mama papa
invite.
So, we say United Nations, Obama was sharing political suit, or ban terms, but training because the ticket also a complimentary.
Yeah.
It me papa home, you know. Some you shadow, you should now, or no sense, man. To show me, I believe no friend. That time because when I friend Frederick, I said to friend Fred, ba. I didn't fine. Wow. It's when I call you. So, honest you. I should go Koye.
Okay.
After you saw me on stage performing Tatamu,
that's a time so na acting.
Yes.
Your cast will be your actor.
That's right.
And here is a crowd to see a be screen. Na sa I perform and any year adwuma more because at amechi na you say mama dokromo TV so any ade obehwe concert party enyini ni concert party ni National Theatre and before that no na yehu we ye bata na hu say wo ba na performing nkofo hwe wo ba no ade o papa hu say wo gina no me ba no
yes
me ba no
sata me kudona yen starting Ghanaian films.
Wow.
So why you dia TV theater.
Wow.
And na or short TV theater. And you can say TV theater. There I be you know. I'm for be you feel pa say you ba be Saka.
Wow.
When they saw me on TV.
Wow.
The following day. You know the love. And that's how I'm for Penny Party. The love. Hey, why are you TV theater when you film? TV theater. Before I'm sister called Tazli Theater.
Yes.
You know, so that time now, you know, my father gave me all his blessing.
Okay.
And then I did 2 documentaries, one on drugs, World Bank. The second one was on Satana Isaba.
Okay.
I think that UNFOB called peacekeeping. So they did a documentary.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was in the army uniform as army captain.
Wow.
I got 37 almost with almost school.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Wow.
You know, so that was when I make my second money in that, another 10,000.
Okay.
You know, but then it was not about the money.
Yeah.
The love.
Respect,
you know, the love. You know, because at that time, all the time, let me catch them up for say. Now you start here, you know. Obi ni when you say me sure we.
You knew obi a yebon di akohwe no.
Yes.
Ye dey hwe storyline.
Good. Say obi ba ka say person me to say kweku me no.
Yeah.
But you buy no. No be ani o say me to say papa we. And I'm person me to say Lewi kweku me no
Akwajako anyway.
Nobody. So it was pure love.
Okay.
and I had the year acting. So but my rehearsals, I say 3 months. No, production, I said, Moko performing. So later, I started say, secondary schools, drama, stage. Yes. And I hear, 91. Then the movie started. My friend is Richard Quarter in William Akufomo Zinabu.
Okay. Zinabu Zinabu movie never hit you.
Yes. Wow.
Zinabu be hit pa.
Big time. Then 91. And then I came to call Center. And also true story be Shoe Shine Boy.
Okay. So me catch Shoe Shine Boy.
Me catch your best woman.
Wow.
Me na me production assistant. Actually nyawo colleague no me na me cover na e ma me Ruby. Capital ni bi or Paidia and I see me call Dinani team. Or do you be bekasa?
Wow, we production. We kwa pena ba wa accent rehearsals do wa ye no experience e kura we nyina ye nim say we experience no.
And na nipo trust script no so. Me can no me never go to Atafe.
Book Atafe, yeah. Wow, couple.
My couple, my man.
Wow.
Me see, already they are me. I'm telling you. This is a big platform.
I can't bear so no money did. So you are on a trust script time.
Or Timmy Payne.
Yeah, then I walk to no money did.
I say, Saga, you bet when issue of films. Oh, you want to see. Because I be brave.
What didn't you know?
You are saying, Papa, you are United Nations.
Yes.
Moon is sad, so you will be. I'm a coffee for.
Yes, so what could we know? Because when Timmy can't chop, Papa said, the ultra script here, Tina perform.
There be nothing tomatoes.
Wow.
Now, King's oil, no my pep. Satana rubber, no to chins in my baby. Let me call. Me say, yeah, should sham boy, no. Me see, me try, no. I'm waiting to the mamba.
Also, what catch the fear for say who was assassinating.
And me one day, no Satan say film in those days, no. He premium. He premiered the film.
Okay.
The premiere of the film was purposely for people to criticize, not more your ideas about. So you can even go back and re-edit.
Okay.
Into your premiere of British Council. You see, me na me come back no. I have been me film.
Oh.
You na me call trench. You no.
Hey. Omo obejo.
Nti omuyi capital ni pepepe o odi nipa no kase ba me am gina na me to say me man fans no
ama
yeah me see kweku me ni nia start say yes oh nti ipo so boss o see when editing mistake
oh
mamba second one bisu me ko try kweku ma be
still not na na ja o see na o see do baba bo baby a wote
me come back to tell ba ko bi de na my girlfriend me ni ko National Theatre mamba
what catch your girl say ubo
and I call National Theatre say me can cast ni ho nti oga hode nko trance na me de girl no na e treche he wi popcorn
wajichia dem
kweku me no
ono girl nam
ma ba ode nyina kweku me no
awro fosem
ewi no no ya confirm you get say I don't know the me ba
put me in ba fie
minim
what put me ba fie
me can send you here post in any so mana for being person everybody dey on around still and also we get in lift you get contact I chero me re ho no na yes we National Theatre no so chale sagaro ama wo lemo me we baby okono enye me like and of again so want to me family
oh
make no to can
oh
me na different National Theatre ba post office Saturday
there's on rock crowd for
me see me real ho it is sitting there my bread one day me want me boss ya feel na secretary
okay you know secretary
yeah secretary
your producer I see I was our democracy
secretary
yes secretary
you know boss say Charlie baba or traffic me ba was short two artists
wow
you were labadi you know me call me no me trust anyway Chronicles of Africa
wow
odo mu me
now no try be say
I don't try say it's 3 scenes and then you in film
ni na so buy one day you film the next how you know okay
and then be by o ma me lies me can help prepare
ni na so buy
enti me be so kesafo na oni makwete kan
me what day he said the how ya kokoro na
akwete kan be Babina
okay because but try the movie our producer senior mama be try
yeah okay
Mr. Akwete kan
yeah Akwete kan no ye Babina no ye Mariska and no the akwete kan or frame and I mean sister na ma e ko twa bi ma o kai I reload
yes
and I reload be frame e ko twa bi ma
na se fira udina na wo gino e fe ye hu TV so
ye hu TV so
na ko for frafra old friends bi
so tell why ya do ye nim so betumi aye sin mi so chale e wo mo kakran and that for be be start here. It before that I mini Santoni Judas.
Wow.
Ko tutu abibisa. Oh,
Satam yesina mo na makoye star asemu yi moti. E batri mo de ene nche ho de na mo fani agro because mo na mo TV so.
Unim say sade ni me naturally no enimi ho.
Okay.
Minim ye. It is a man focus say we star, me see me star.
As a woman,
minim kakra. Na say last year, mama can say last year October, September 6, me ba paying na or bad cake.
Okay.
No bad accommodation. Say me cause I lie. Wow. And we say now is that was I lie. O si bra o de me ko si. He say upe hostel be. Na after o peda wa nya admission. So mo say dem me class ni wa. And the papa so people expect oh you but could between me and you and the God we serve. Meaning me in fact but I know people are me more popular than them, but much more than me.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
My office for Taifa. Let me tell you this. You know I do motivational speaking. My office for Taifa. Kweku. Do you know say it was my staff who forced me and I bought the car I brought the Highlander. Me point me the office anymore na ma fat la pass.
Wow.
Taxi me fa. Maybe.
Ada papa o ba ko no me sakwan.
Say who say me the taxi na elo do ni pa phone no. But say drop me for everything. I'm telling you. I'm telling you all this. Me fat out of it type of Burkina. I be swallow pass. Na ma nante akola spamas. Who so to bodo bi wo brown bread. Na ma ko di 1 cedi. Na ma ji fine nice one. Me ndi you. Me turn front to you are.
Now
my laptop listen.
Papa.
That is my life. So it was one of my guys said, boss, you have to buy a car. Boss, David, at least we are making money, buy a car. They forced me when I bought my first car, Toyota Island. Yes. There's I mean did go only do work. Have you watch over?
Me let me a trouble power. Me petrol ba trouble.
Me see, my maker say we dey come. Ma call watch over. And me pekusi.
Okay.
And I bank. We be say ojampa. Usuba no dey na pia me na dogo e family eja na waji kusi sa no ni sire no
we na kwade na ha no ba nya first word na sanso beto aduan
kan me say masa
ade na we
ba beto aduan
me say da aduan ma de
no do sa pia ye de
o pa ya na
no so we dem dey do ye o mpa agro so masa we agro
what do me kusi e di agro
kusi mama no so ya na waja
ni nana to ho so your customer
o Pentecost e wodo mi we say me try do make akra
yes
but acting no any propriety no and ram no
okay
it never
about man your there
David
okay ye wo ho afre danfo biye abehia wo kuhia danfo biye ono so ye producer by satama wo share danfo biye dem fancy na sini adwuma no mu biye
yes
danfo biye so de mo prepare heavy roles
yes
but wo hwe na senior ye twai na hwe first senior ye twai say na difference na to say
the difference no is about the preparation of the artist. Who said that for be a script. Now ebia ubeko asaba ebia or the script memo. No mind that for be a film. A location Thursday, Friday, Saturday by close of Sunday. There we one movie.
Okay.
So before no they were the lines in acting, people control you.
Okay.
You have directors like Akweteka was directing for them for BA before director Fisher came. They are particular about the lines, the acting, and all that.
So many bremas in that time.
Who said me try come as in that me try back when I'm so boy for me.
I don't coach you how
they almost I should talk more. Okay. So they write it for me because I'm not minister vibe no.
Okay.
Minister vibe no. So the director was just having the headphone. They keep saying, "Oh, there more dialogue, more that." Oh, boss, the dialogue now sound.
Because there was scripting now.
Yes, that is we are coming from that angle.
Okay.
You will tell me what to do, and I always say, "Hey, cameraman, you direct the camera. There's somebody directing the cameraman."
Yeah.
So when I come on your set, I'm the raw material.
Okay.
They say, "Captain, never told you. One of the channel the way open."
Okay.
So when I come, use me the way you want to work. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
I can't just go on my way.
Master,
but try Sinibo come and say a call at midnight. Now you're that Ediana. After every scene, Miracle Films. Okay. After every scene, I go director. Are you okay? So I'm like, if I don't have problem, I'll tell you I'm okay. So our time, is based on dialogue. So sometimes me Kaipa say, director, if you want to be a little creative, say lines way, say me the way can one. They will tell you, say, Charlie, I don't want surprises. Don't do something that I don't know.
Now I am Cranford and Kumasi for.
In Cranford.
Because Kumasi, the woman is surprised in open.
Yes,
woman good surprise. But you say also call Kumasi for acting, no? Buy no who say BBC has a sound of life.
Yeah.
Because Kumasi now say script could all right. But what kind? When the war back, when story in the baby, I see beyond only the person copy. But you know what? Who will be prefer the lines now can have problem in the hall.
Yeah. My me a movie there was a line and somebody said have patience. So the person told me say minya aboteno. And I said oh, patience is the language for the cowards. Omo munya kudo omo no munya abote. The writer said
yes, mepe.
But Obi said no, it's not in my script.
But you be so now there all kind of moment about times
more yes. So when there was argument said look you have to have patience. And out of I said, look, patience is the language for the coward.
Okay.
So I won't have patience.
Okay.
And that was like,
what you saying?
But I said, no, cut. Don't go that way.
Wow.
They don't. More chance say, be yourself.
Okay.
How never tell you. Most directors. So they don't allow for creativity.
Okay.
Baby, you go by.
Yes, now acting. Straight. And also, I think say one thing that I like about Kumasi, not because you are here. Oh, what?
You see, because they leave you, you flow.
Okay.
And then you act. But sometimes you see, who was scripter? You are thinking about the line.
Okay.
And you are thinking about the movement. Okay. Now,
okay.
So, like you said, now why stage? Because as you are acting or you are thinking about the lines.
Okay. Because who can say who say kind line
so when the person sometimes you don't you are
focus on count lines.
And let me tell you, so is this now I can say my cue. My cue say let's go. Then I'll say this. So I'm waiting for that word from you.
Oh dear.
Let's go now.
And you will be to me at I say that I'm so cut. As a we answer. Yes, one moment that one can win the meeting no because for train what cow lines are cow no dear. Mean say make we are today be no way straight.
Yes.
But tree Kumasi tree ni other than the flow. Yeah, when you see the tear no about the tougher. Not all the idea account. And
let me say something. There are some few directors. Number one is Okrisafo.
Okay.
He allows for like the flow.
Okay.
And sometimes you see some directors. You better once in a better more than 7 takes.
Okay.
So Okrisafo say, I know what I want. So the moment we hear say, he also makes you to, live your life. And there's some efficient those people.
Yes.
They allow you to
flow.
But some people, especially, they should forgive you. The buklon for no. Or kita pain. Kita pain. No, I'm Wait. In that line, one word is missing.
One location is more than
before you say this one, you have to say and always number. But when the statement makes sense. Oh, see that I want the always. Charlie. Pacho. So the word is always yes. So you have to go back. And then some people say TOP from the top.
Wow. No, what's our start? I just was pick it
always see that so that you flow. You understand?
Serious.
Yeah.
Nice one. This is aggressive interview. We almost constant and aggressive. Because Papa we nye ene TV sunipa. Oh TV swatch papa. No more dia grown so amagana for asum Ghana no. Papa ubet me catch him say we just ni na say uguso ye.
Debut kweku.
Come at say we rest for djumam.
Me call Bible school the sheepfold.
Okay.
Basket. Sprinters.
Ti said why pastor djuma.
My call pastor djuma. I went into ministry because some of us know. Nyame sawayeso.
Okay.
Nyame my life is here. I can't point to one person say this person Papa way I don't know boy. I don't have it. I see everything as God.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? I see everything as God doing.
Okay.
You know, I built my own house. My first child is in the university.
Wow.
If I look at where I'm coming from, meaning what no.
Wow.
Near me be the person I can say cocaine.
Okay.
The talent cocaine buy.
Okay.
Hinti na ye to William. You know the friend blue. Blue.
Meaning blue pa.
Sure.
Oh, meaning blue.
And say what you kaka.
Oh, I know the blue meaning blue. Blue. I mean blue.
Who say more 5 milligrams?
Yeah.
And more 10 milligrams. Some of us say me fat 10 milligrams, me say 10. That is 100 milligrams of sleeping tablet. Yeah, no mathematician. Na joto so.
Na sabu na mo started trauma.
I don't get trauma.
I get trauma, but mo na mo started bibi sa.
Yes.
Say you be Daisy, you be
yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
I grew up in Kologono.
I said to kwadi obe kubi.
Me can say back. Huni. Because Kologono, huni nye dia.
Untimi tao.
Obi wet ma ba say, obi wet ma adi obi ba say, ha. So no so kokumi. Oso bet munku.
Just like prawo nye no hwe.
Nye no so.
Unkan so
Debi say so kokuba people so bet me. Wow. Munku. Fight.
Prepare so
Obaku. You know, and then like the moment who judge your obi
be foul.
You know, me call me school now was boys school.
Wow.
Hinti yes na fe be na ye to lemon na apete chef no anzana.
Wow.
So no do my 80 cents. Hinti me no sa kodum time bia onim na me me kwa koda na ma to kota. Because me person be to me fu. When I'm telling you, it's me so I say 4:30 na manu. Into uba no passes kana ma budara.
Wow.
So you can advise me.
There's one put that. Into muna mo ko bo primo ko jensa.
That be ye to
moto de si wo. Ma wia bo.
It's me so I say 5:30 na ma no. It say we dey ye be china no pa na ya tunu po bu. O be na ma no dada. So that was the life we were living. Apart machine. Ma cocaine.
How the one call
Debbie. You just before cocaine ba. Him say time cocaine ba na ya abuti ya anti say cocaine aba. Him so many ba ya abu.
Mabo.
Enti abu ka cocaine na.
Na say nyame na age o. Because nipa bebra no am start bebra akoma say. I want to MP.
I'm telling you, sometimes if I'm driving I see people na me can change me say papa we were in Moscow.
Wow.
They grow on one inch.
Wow.
I'll show you something to see the amount of land that are bought. Say me to build. I want to build plenty houses. These are the land.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
okay.
All this land media.
Wow.
So if I look at these things, you see, what shall we say to all these things? If God don't be with us,
wow,
who can be against us?
Wow.
So in the meantime, we go Bible school.
Wow.
Me graduated last year. Ordaining me 10th November last year.
Tisian ube share usha so asori bi ase.
Yes.
And I was so bi ase and I see what to branch.
Debbie, me share sorry bi ase. And I don't intend to go and me be sorry.
Okay.
It me Bible school me pastor friend me say me plan say let me see also for full time. Me also for full time. Because I have so much marketing in me.
Okay.
See, I got my masters in marketing and communication. My first degree in marketing. I can't leave all these things in my company.
Okay.
Say,
I see the old school year, Juma.
Yes.
And the person bisa say acting no. On find Juma bi.
The acting in me.
What else?
They say I no internet me first me pe number bi.
Yeah.
He ever started some TV series.
Okay.
And sometimes me enjoy, but who say sometimes some producers so hey are friendly. Let me see look who you so traffic ba. You look at the character, we say wait but my character.
So yes,
that is it. So if it's Nessa Cabron that can play this role for you, I don't need to be calling you every week.
Okay.
Before you give me a role.
Okay.
I'm available. I'm in Accra. If you want me to come, you look at the time. It will favor me. I'll come. Acting is like drug. We are joking here.
Say, won't me film.
Yeah, the people in California say that they say that the Araki will come. Every say we feel California. We see the same place, don't you? Yes.
Because I never come can say. So be was senior room na ho girigina na ho so. Na so say I made me senior dwuma. Obi say was mejai senior nyai.
Debi.
Nyai senior.
Debi. You can't.
Hey, oh ho combet me abetew. Ebetwe to stick in chiwa. Me see eduabo enyenya wo se kuko. De bia oboa. Obeko.
Yeah, I can't stop acting. I'm still acting. We starting the program, but we'll start from YouTube and then we'll come to mainstream media. So quickly, I can't stop acting.
Wow.
But the only thing is, at least I play roles. It portrays a certain character.
Okay.
So people say,
"Say our best of it."
Oh, at least quickly. Maybe do age bia say since you rule bia onye.
Okay, say baby I want to know. See, I want to say you pay it my person or ba ma o bia mo ba ne me. Ana me ma me. The type nya to say o. Ti say sinimu na ni di do no wo kwakowura bedroom na wabon to say fia. See anu so no onye.
Oh no, I can do that.
Okay.
But for me to say me yi matter there. He say me di now see mama me small girl. Omo ma me so massa. Me odi ma me ba age. I don't know if I mean that was him.
Say a yesini.
No, but it's
a story.
Yes.
When you say so for anything, I'm out.
Baby, could you? It's because you do age beer. They tell you to do certain things, sir. You look at your age, maybe why do you?
And she age in a story. And you know, majority of human necessary watch because a story. Sebi yeti wo cry normal life will be create me with crowd. If you could be crowd back say about them, obit me for 9 years. Now the 3 years when you're the only for 18 years. Next year say therefore about you koye sugar daddy house cry.
Okay, Tuga. And dada, who dada? Who dada? Now can pepe say now can it's not the right thing. But who dada say so Tuga who trust who story. Me and me who brapping. Na sininti say sakabron bra. Ube you draws. Na koda no abetiu. Eno be mama
say anu de yema onye dressing cry say the wuyi na no. Na ya cat.
One sound. So mami ro mi kwa koya e bia na akoda na apie na mi so mi ya mezi we won say
o na you bibi. Yes.
Na so atuni mo na.
E bet ma be say so wo so o yes so wo so mu ayire na ya cat. Emra na wo to zip. Bibia at say won na da.
You are being artistic. Yes. But you say me the akoda 9 years no dan pam. Na ordinisa to me.
On say papa on say you will rob so. On say storyline. E bo ma story no obi a watch mine but on the main character.
Yes.
Until the whole story need na watch maso. Obi a has game. I will feel inside. Yes. The whole scene need na on the na so for has game. The any will be a title akwa series. What's a series directing and a son movie directing.
You are right.
Because series as every CBS show. By moving cat yisa on said that na ko. Until ye pa akura bi asebi. About this, because about you say fitei, and no book fitei. The person don't find something so keke. You want some more damn and so natural.
Uni, you interview me, my mother and my friend. Say, I'm bold deliver. Oh,
you see, I saw good any buy a mono. And as a son of what's about for crowd the Annie and Pacific. Oh, dear. What me say nipa na chi nyina ego abayo no fit gina so na wo sentin na afre ye amu de ndia na hu
ma make ansem bi tell me movie bi hwehwesa movie that for be a movie moja bi edom
okay
na me call repeat obi na me ba first na your university say na osta no say daddy what are you beating there I say penwe yes that is beating say daddy are you so mommy are they fighting the wife say wow. Wow. This was Now,
yes.
Now she's almost 20.
Okay.
Then you see me again. Now, 15. No, my son work here in university. You, Charlie, know your old brother. Power chop.
But you said the name is so many.
Oh, you standing on the
Papa, since you was a Christian tea, and yet, see, you didn't be able to tell yourself with your pass of Rama. Who person me to say, Peter, me didn't cry, Sana. Oh, there be, it is here, my Papa Yatuasi, acting the womb. My baby, I asked for room amount. There be pass of room. Okay, Yamo are so for room, so you remember Christopher Rue. You remember Christopher Rue because me, my own winning. Mama mi ro be ye mama ro a ye Christopher ro you see dia papa ba ye go say we suffer ye Christopher anya ro bia na ese ye de ma no sa
mi ba ma mi da oba ni yo mi kwa me da ana mi brema bi nda ba e ma mama mi oba mi qualification so mi kwa na o select to so mi choose ba
we asem aso o no ye too special
ya ye obi da
o ma em bi da anu pokan man ko twesini hey me koye akwa no nim no se audition woni me kasa ya no so betu ya me kana me charge na me fo me tu ka to audition begin no se esini ti me charge no ma me half payment me ko do ya papa na nyesini na oye audition no de me kwaje fans keke
okay
no kwase me ko se audition oye no me twa kakra se bodi kan de me tu no se woni me tise ti me twa kakra okay ti anwumre na me am sa adwene say okay say anye sini na watwa me ka date na say me kasa bebe me ho no de me balance nkaye was unia o de me sero e sini mpeso hu keke na mo hu sa ampa adwuma na me ye no na say adwuma na wahyehyam na di wo mo
okay
me da ho no bobo pam na bro you okay na so me okay okay uye bibi ampa cho ka che me msi yo mateme okay wo sa kwe mo wanu asa ba pam menua na umpa akro bi ansoma no me you okay say me buy issue me didi ai be okay na umpa akro bia me pese ka me mama akro ba ko be down che o me ye kama me ye better me mra na say wa hwede we kama am say bra
ye pona wa ka che uji
oh David o say in times no ye dwuma we no me din bo atopam no say me ya me ye me ma won ko family me
okay
ana nipa na obetusu no eye guild members ade bechi na tenese nipa so si koda won chen enu ti me mpesa de no and dey me met my ye abra wo kura na wo du nipa kura wo kura bia onim se maye
emishra
ba se open we friend open player wo da kura na onye ne hwe kura no mo dwen se akwa no wo bu atopon and dem so free
oni mami we mami afakuma
anti afakuma ya
bisal ye collocation bisal ko traffic Hosi ni wa me wa djumi pa me ma ade hosi the way guys no go on masa ebebo be say 8 that ma jam akota hanopa me pa na say in the bush when the way far bush hey dia say let's say to kwa we ti nya ka maka we neighbor oh Charlie obo de ha But the thing is, you see, I always say, that is my own thinking. Acting is like you are buying a car like Jaguar.
Okay.
Who say car be wa? They are better. More I channel, more than you born yet.
Okay.
Car be so I will turn to say, I'm not price. So when you are an artist, you are like a Jaguar or a Rolex watch. Okay. More I will channel, more who price it go up. But one show once a year, do baby. People don't want to. Because I mean, I'm for me. Say me catch you. We started acting. People who me acting. He move back. No, because they don't take good care of themselves. Oh, my life in your papa.
Baby, I be
yes. Time now you back come and say. You say we share miracle film so Adriana Hotel.
Yeah.
What? What is this? Basa. Bema bako. Be say 5 girls and how many akoda?
Yes.
3 bet me ba no pa na bi akọ. Na bi akọ. Masa ni dey bobo 8.
Now, say, and also so can be ma, a bimo be yes, yes, star, but yentimi angie and to stardom.
Yes.
Beki can fin.
Yes.
Or no, on Timin cock, and an announcer and caffo.
Yes.
And was sincere, because one would in any yam stardom in Amatopa.
Yeah, a woman a boo. There's no respect. You are right. Be brave. And so, air friend was whatever. Or what do you guess? A lot of people, the whole thing comes to, I see a moment never yes. I say, yes. Because me, you can go to all sets. It be just like a brown. You know, I don't have that problem. Me and Mama Brown, Michelle, let's say 1990 and 91. Yes. He tried a lot of film. He was airport. Many Emilia Broby. Try film Madam for be. Many among for film. But still, we have that respect. You know, sometimes at least they because come to Kumasi and me to Yanka have gone far. Yeah. That is the truth. Yeah. I know that was my mark. Say my tree is not good. Yeah. But at least they want to communicate in there. Say, yes. Most of them will be a movie semi-country. Some of what you can remote yes. But later, no one will tell you, it's about Kumasi. Now, like the producers see you are. But I have a business running here. Yes. Me, but me Tama will be best friend. So I can't leave. Yeah. One of your directors, I keep forgetting that either Israel or Isaiah or something. Isaiah. It says only Ghana. So US. Hoshami wo directive film bi wo Winiba. Winiba and I Michiano. Or Chimi ko Kumasi Samisi Masa. Nti kwekwe enye asofodi say nti move from member. Ye frewa beba. Okay, sisi dey frewa pa beba. But e be hu ra. I don't want to. You be who right be man. Say sisi a me two yenuanom producers ne actors fo. Say sisi a me two me producer. Yeah. And say nyame adom kran no sama me de eye directing. That's right. Asaka ho. Sisi a no say me frewa one say me dwene say one no yi wo ho friend say me dwene say directing side no one no nyankopon sa wo so. Enye wuro bia na metima mo wa play. I know dear, a year me akasa campaign me yama. Ye hu wura obepre. Enti ma se ko fa mayo bi, ono de ono so no wo sine dwuma mu de. And aha, ono so kwa sa so fo, ye bet mama bonsam so abeso wa he. Enti bet mama mayo bi omwo wo nufu bi so aba ba hurunra. Ati ase abeso wa he. Ah bibia be koyie. Enti ono so ka sunye dwuma. Oni mi ko baby am mi ko meet baby kweku. Ena normally no me call earlier than the time. So let me see someone drink some Coke before the person gave me like 11. Me say traffic, but me don't have say 8:30. Okay. So my call too early. Me say me call transport to be. Give me say me. Who can say no phone? Oh yama wani. This all the sheba no. Oh. I saw her. You know, but all said and done. I mean they say that film is to inform, educate, and entertain. Yeah. So if it to entertain people and educate them, that is fine. I know. Yes. So Papa, you see, I can say to yeni ayeba yifwa. Titu yeni ayeba ye youth no yeni social media no swaba. One more time nini ho. Yeah. And no be fa camera kura esine so say phone kura na. Oye na adwuma ya etime hit no social media. Fine. Yeni ayebu no obia pese me gise mo tam le bi be wo o musa na mo nyonkofa all right there but na aye dia me timi wa kam kakra awo baabi that's right obia pese wo lady yes ba ye pen so there no me fan say no my cheaper amaye dey tell cheaper say me pen so a me kwa me betu sin ne nyefo re exas dodo a wo be ko thank you obia ye star ne onko re exas ba korada nima dey friend exas script meeting onko bi da Tino, wafanoma so easy. Me come the first time because we did moving out to internet. And me koda se was sorry them. Because me who say me moving the internet they say we are seeing na. Yeah. And we koda was producer no ko ni je me data Jones at my nije pa. Sometimes I so me legit TV station go has CI.
Yes, Director John Sajman.
Very, is a good person.
Yes, or a good person.
Very good.
And Satam, I was so. Only they were producers as Ike, as a Ike or so. No question, you need to say, moving ahead to a year, FNC, a year social media. Dear Futuna, the Bema, and my one mema, yes, this why you was near Juma, they bet me up one in the MY.
Okay. First one, I'll talk about pride.
Okay.
How much so? Say, Uba. Now, we're a Juma way more. I say, we are on Brazil.
Okay.
He said, make a chow, Tata Miss, it is humility. You say we are Christian.
Oh.
Bible says, if God be for us, who can be against us?
Okay.
And then Bible says, if God is against you, who can be for you? And the Bible says, pride go before a fall. Also, be a sure say, now I want time.
Yes.
So please have patience. Humble yourself. Bible says, when you humble yourself, in due time, God will exalt you.
Okay.
Don't go and do one movie and say, me a star.
Okay.
Who did you of it? Maybe almost 30 series back would be. How many akita flags? How many kita so? Say official kita so. How to so work? Hey,
what's that? What do you know? O budget in Sundu ho.
Budget you don't have budget in no. Hinti a umbrasie. Who was set to a that you may sinufano. But why you iron nicely? Make yourself presentable. All I will say is please humble yourself. Then God will exalt you.
Nice one.
Number 2, you reap what you sow. You say something. We are coming. Ocho. And what industry no. So please, you reap what you sow. And in life, I tell people that in your life you have 2 farmers. Yourself and the enemy. If you don't plant, the enemy will plant in your farm. This one is a simple logic. Weed your house and leave it. If you don't plant, certain things will grow.
And yes, sir. How can you go? You to tomorrow when you're down. It's your goose back me no asabefi.
Because one do actually into place watch the things you sow. If you talk about Kweku Menu today, you have sow. Somebody will talk about it tomorrow.
Yes.
The law of karma will pay you. Into me pamucho. Lawyers, your friend we are say my learned friend, We are all friends. We are friends. We are brothers. You not calling Kweku Menu, they won't give you that role. Okay. So if they want Kweku Menu, tell Kweku Menu so yeah wow.
Yes.
But if you wow.
On there.
Oh
no.
But you are coming down. But you are saying, say I don't $1.
So twitwa
Kweku Menu so $1. Dollar in oji.
Say
dollar near $20. So the person say 200 Ghana.
Mama dollar na you. Emi kuta 10 million na. Let's say $1 mo amenya no dollars. So what I say? Ami kuta we sika bia one cedi kan obenya no $1.
Pepe. But we say $1. E bia ye starting no after jam me pick you up no.
Oh yes.
Then I must say Sakabra Mboade he say I'm telling you how for family confrere different artists. How mu call for be say to so other for me catch me say how mu so papa my there my brother Sambra.
Wow,
I'm telling you.
You were free.
Yeah, you me free mu keke. People were calling me say I'm see me.
And the question mo we
no.
And so satam no mun so mo ne wo sika o. Omo ne wo din o. But ene hu bi ma wie ya. Eno bi na ye near YouTube ni bi.
Yes.
Omo hu so mo ye okay now.
Yeah.
But ye nwini 10, 15 years, 20 years.
See, in paucho enye obi na obetwa. Ene be ma wa force obekọ esuro. Be diligent. Na ulemu na fa ebu ma omo weni.
Yes.
Na ye nkaka day after day. The Bible says the path of the just is like a shining light.
Okay.
That shine brighter and brighter unto a perfect day.
Nice.
Your time will come. When your time come and you are asleep, they will come and call you.
Yes.
First time I go Abuchi. Me now baby no be say oh passport.
Wow.
Me see my passport. Osi ko jama ostimashi we. Na me ko ja passport.
Hey.
Me nam come Tuesday nyame nim la pass. You know say and then I go Abuchi no say oh mo ji Mr.
Mo kan chem kra.
Say na me nika. Na me see fit otrom.
Toto the same hobbies.
Na me see fit otrom. Actually akomo last farmers.
For my pressure be to so say.
Na krimi coffee me catch one say me Abuchi. I say ebe ba so me say am say me share mo airport 5 na me be sisan me niam me
wa show
me kwa buchuna manja me supporter
awa
fe gidigidi no ma fa supporter it me do wa do abuchi ye ma me scar first so ye call commission you challenge bro I for buy panties so say panty so challenge you then you my brother guy I don't bring panty na me share no say me see me share no pa be na enwu ye nti no pa me share no sa na me cut up na me to sleepers what time you do kweku ye be frel who are who show me what time you do
o be frel
hey wada ye be daniel
what you say
say what time you do bet ma call ye be ka say na ye be aduma
ye ma obi tamudru andrew so andrew obi saka visa ye se virus nti across borders
can you imagine
aso want me anko
what time bed
obi so de nsa anka but e be no first person nsa baka passport obi atena broche so many years nsa anka ne nkrata
yes
as one have virus ye chi one have on the first person ye nkrata be show say it is why who be
yes
hwa time na
ya so a mo a omumbe no muntumfo
yeah
if you check my Facebook today is Tuesday yesterday I put on my Facebook if you want knowledge learn
okay
read the book study if you want knowledge if you check my tag if you want knowledge study
okay
if you want wisdom observe
nice one
if you want wisdom observe
nice
so me I observe a lot is that I follow you a lot I go on people's if you want wisdom observe but if you want knowledge study I said from the beginning, now you knew but you people, you have a lot of people. You have a lot. Me see, yes, that's it. Who do now I jam will be no one check.
Oh, I request him.
What would I do? What do I got for court man?
Also, crowdy, I go call a bepamo. So, we on all canoe, or be nipa baby, or my so shama, or pedian and Swashian, Albania Crobato, pedian when you facility, Albania Naciano, so I hope a lava but a second Kumenua.
Who post a publisher?
Oh, pedia, what phones so ha? And then you are for grandma, I never ran out.
But okay, Miss Mammy Bissau, then they go so Kumasi. Production
side in the day, and acquire and crank. Producers na kasate
okay
because for premier level nti but any artist in there yenye ya just better because wo kasa water producer ne wo fa ne sika wo producer but artist utrasema wonim no ekọ na bia wo baba ka bia no wan say nyan say the first na wo
okay
ti say ne ye kuta mo social media ho ye community we bia ne page still na ye boy ho modern by woman no the movie ba ko bi abefam na say yakọ premier ti egu so ye pese sini ne achia by movie ye sa achia se body na achia no kwade be sum no kopem se ebe nyini be wianse na ebe twa ye twa ti sa na akwakwan papa meda wase se na wo ma ho kwan ma yensu ye mu bi se ti se yensu so yenya akwanya wo wonim and we din komo aya aggressive so na do hu wa chede na ni aje papa
mindam wase me show papa cho mu ka chere se e man ko fast mo ge bi se za na ro ni ti
oh dabi anu po de me ma mo no to ba to betimi ni na
you give me that and I'm fa wo platform to say God bless you
amen
looking at the time I saw you in Kumasi when you were doing that movie that scene I was there when you shot that movie till now you've done well you've done well and your good work will reward you
amen
and I see you as one person who is you are not everywhere you don't need to be everywhere and I can see you are focused I saw the beginning of aggressive and where you've reached you know you've done well
papa
don't be worried say obisu yebi
Depi. And yes, I cry
you know, sometimes, you know, one of the things that we have been able to start to be you say, or copy me, or then you start to
focus with you. Yes.
Do your own. do you and make your own unique. And no matter how can they be no one say emisu sometimes.
You know most schools can't know.
The same thing. Okay, I thought when you film
okay. I mean because so creative we said
yes, great.
Na a different. Obo o se me intro no kwa na ekono.
Yeah.
And so what me na homa na come out. We had that in kobo me do no abeda.
You've done so well. I pray to God.
Yeah.
That your he said that the end is better than the beginning.
Yes.
That I don't know your projection, but I see you very soon. Maybe not only interviewing Ghanaians who call Nigeria, but call now interviews. Amisha. I love you.
I may kiss you.
I may kiss you.
I love you.
I saw that advert. We are me taste. Thank you. Nice one.
I'm out for what the master seminar brain. I'm sure you're meeting the Quakuman bit from Bob Seger. We are aggressive interview, and the bon como. You're aggressive, and the papa bon como. Now, oh, who say what that's all, say, hey, papi, nice one. I want a genetic pussy, our filament, so her. Pussy GH, yes, or her. And I will cheer baby, I will be our shame, Radin bless so, but I was so in your mammy. Now show me. Sounds so soon Arab country be also. Ghana, maybe be our so bossy. A handsome your dear. And rather and bless so, no in your cassia. Ma vida better, Mamma ye, Mamma de Vim. Why in the show crasso, Mamma ye, what you say. And rather bless so no shroud. I will not do it. Amen.
Amen.
Bye bye.